Who is making that noise? This is our story. What is this? This is a bird. And this is a trumpet. Nice. Look, those are the noisy boys. They love making noise all the time and repeating noise and more noise. Now we're going to know their story. Oh, look, they are in their bedroom playing with a train, their toys. But suddenly, they hear a noise. Oh, what's that? Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. They are not, no? Who is inside the wardrobe? Let's open it. Nothing. Oh, there is a bird playing the trumpet. Now we are in the hall, in the stairs, to go upstairs. And suddenly, another noise. What's that? Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. They are not, they are just putting on their jackets. I wonder who's going to be under the stairs. Let's discover. Oh, it's that talking. It is going to be doing Google. Yes. Now we are in the bathroom. They are just washing their hands, maybe. And suddenly, another noise.
Rattle, rattle, rattle. Rattle, rattle, rattle.
What's that? Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. But who is going to be here hiding, maybe to scare us? Let's discover. Oh, it is a dog playing with his toy. Now we're in the kitchen. Look, they are eating sweets, cookies. But suddenly, another noise.
Crash, bang, bang, crash.
Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. They are just eating. Now, who do you think is going to be here? Let's discover. Oh, there is a pig playing with the plates, maybe. Now we are in the living room. And they are just reading a book. They read in silence. So they are not making noise. But suddenly, another noise.
Ding, 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 dong, ding, dong.
Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. So let's explore this wardrobe. Oh, there is a cat playing with a bell. He is going to be making ding ding. Oh, we are outside in the garden. They are playing with a ball. So, but another noise.
Bang, 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 bang.
Who is making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us, they say. So they are playing, so they're going to be not making that noise. But hurry up, let's discover what is under the door. It is a rabbit playing, so he's going to be making bang, bang, bang. Finally, we are outside and look, all the animals, the dog, the cat, the bear, the rabbit, the pig, and the turkey. And more noise, and more noise, and more noise, and more noise. Crying, shouting,
Oh, that's who.
many noise. But who's making that noise? It's not me. And it's not you, no? Or you are making noise? No. So let's discover what is under the window. Oh, this is one of the noisy boys. And the other boy, they are making noise at the end. They are noisy boys, they have to make noise.